Welcome back to our channel, how to create a best portfolio on Behance. So make sure you will have logged in, and we will move in the top left corner is the search icon, or you will just have to select it from here, the reference. So I want to just search for video editing, and example, if I just tap on this one, so this is an example how you will just have to see and create like this. So we will just move back, cut it, and I want to just go in the Canva. So from here in the search bar, I will just write the portfolio option, and right now you will just have to select it from here. Example, I will just select it from here. So you will just have to remove this picture, and you will just have to upload your own. And these are many options to add your details. So you first of all you will just have to create it from here. After, you'll just have to save it from the top download option. Go again back on Behance. We will move in the right bottom corner option profile, and there's an plus icon option center bottom. So create your first project. So just tap on it, and from here you will just have to grant photo access, and you'll just give them permission to allow. After allow, you will just have to upload your portfolio, which you will have to create from the Canva, and in this way you will just have to create a stunning best portfolio on Behance. So thank you so much for watching. There's a quick way.